Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. I've just got a quick little correction video. I'm afraid with the joys of live recording, I made a silly mistake. On section A of grade 1, time values, if you move to exercise 2, at the video at 12 minutes 30 seconds, you'll see that I make a mistake here and I just answered this same question twice rather than moving on to the next question. So this last question, a crotchet lasts as long as how many quavers, or a quarter note lasts as long as how many eighth notes. That last question can't be correct because I've just answered the previous one twice. And so, silly me, if you just refer to your PDF document that I provide on my website, if you go to sharonbill.com, you can see that 2 quavers or 2 eighth notes are equivalent to 1 crotchet or 1 quarter note, because a half plus a half, so 2 halves make 1. And so the answer to this little question here is 2, because you can see that they are half the value, so it must be half as much again. So I do apologise, thanks for pointing that out on the comments. And so you just need to be careful for that little mistake there. Silly me, just the joys of the pressure under the camera. So thanks for that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There's loads of videos to go at. And thanks for pointing that little mistake out there. Bye.